So we just got out of our pre-application screening, which was very informative in many ways. A lot of it was to give us some comfort that the Resiliency Center was going to be made as open and accessible as it could be to us, to answer our questions, to give us rapid responses to those questions, that the turnaround time on plan reviews, they're committed to a 3-day turnaround, that the typical issues that one would encounter in a rebuild process that could require extra cost, deeper evaluation, they'll work with us as hard as they can to make it a lower cost, more effective, more efficient solution. So I just thought overall that the pre-application meeting was very useful and that it gave us some confidence. It gave us some encouragement to just jump in and get this thing rolling. We talked about a wide variety of issues. There was no limits on what our questions or concerns were. It was just very useful.
And be able to expect the answers to those questions back by the end of the day, the business day. It's great.